Good morning, it's Peter Boulton. I'm just sitting here thinking about, business and how to make things more effective and so on and so forth, while I actually wait for the train crossing. And it occurred to me, of course, that sometimes we need to look back to learn from what's happened in the past and make sure we're applying those things that are working for us for the future. And with my SFM business, which is a marketing business, I've learned through that business how to generate sales inquiries. And I started applying what I'd learned into my own business for this digital marketing space. And what I found is that back in October of last year, I generated 18 inquiries in my first month. Now, to be fair, I didn't know if that was good or bad, but the indications that I had from other people that are on a similar journey to me is that maybe you're really looking for about 10 leads per day if you're then going to make this business scalable. Well, the good news is that every month since then, I've been able to generate more and more sales inquiries. And in fact, last month I was up to 570 inquiries for 1 month. And that, I think, is an average of about 16 inquiries a day. So I just encourage you really that, you can take time out occasionally just to think about, what you're doing for the future in your business. But sometimes it's good also to look back and say, well, what have I achieved so far? And if I carry on doing the things that help me to achieve those things, can I carry on continuing to be successful in growing that success as I move further forward? Anyway, I'll leave that as a thought with you today, and have a good one. Take care.